Ladies and gentlemen, the British pound is still going down, silver is going up. On this chart we can see that the British pound lost so heavily that you have to pay now almost £4,000 for each gold coin. 4,000 British pounds. No, these are not Zimbabwe dollars. No, these are British pounds. 4,000 British pounds for one coin. Raw gold cost 3600 British pounds, 3,613. However, just a few minutes ago it was even higher. It was 3,637 British pounds and 15 pences. So that's why I'm still saying 4k for each coin, because it is around 4k for each gold coin. 1 ounce of gold now is almost 4k, and this is not stopping. This is not stopping, ladies and gentlemen. And what may we extract out of the situation today? What informations? Well, first of all, the British pound interest rate on British pound is still high. 3.75 is 100% more than interest rate in the European zone, in the European Union, in euro. It is 4%, around 4% more than in Switzerland. Despite all of this, the British pound is losing to gold. It is not gaining to gold. It is losing in gold. And the situation every day, day by day, is more difficult for British pound than it was last week. Every week, British pound is losing heavily. I like to remind that in 2026, 2025, and around 20 years ago, and before that, you would buy for one minimal pension, monthly minimal pension, 1.5, 1.5 ounce of gold. Okay, almost 2 gold coins. Now, for minimal pension, monthly minimal pension, you can buy only quarter of this coin. So it is around 6 times less than 20 years ago, 18 years ago, 25 years ago. 6 times less gold in your pocket for your monthly pension. On the top of that, the pension age now is 66, and in few months will increase during next 2 years until 2027 or 28, something like this, to 67. So everybody in the United Kingdom will receive pension at the age of 67, not before. And for this pension, you can now, 21st of January 2026, buy only quarter of gold coin. So 25% of ounce. It is difficult situation for British pound. Of course, for other currencies, it is also difficult situation. But we are not talking about other currencies in this video. We are talking about British currency in this video, the British pound. And silver is even worse, because if we look at silver, then British pound lost actually even more than to gold in this year. Please look at this. So now it is 94. I'm sorry, these are dollars. 100 US dollars for 1 ounce of gold. So one gold coin actually costs now 120, 130, some coins 140 US dollars, okay? But the British pound is also losing. It's 70 British pounds for 1 ounce of silver. But, well, this silver coin now costs almost 100 pounds, okay? It is a raw silver. Raw silver, let's say, agreed price now is 70.36 pences. But it was here we can see here it was 71 today, 71 British pounds today, 21st of January 2026. So now 1 coin equals 100 quid. Okay, 10 coins, 1,000 pounds. So, ladies and gentlemen, I raise a question. May we end up in this situation when one British pension, monthly British pension, of course in other countries, not all, but in other countries it may be even worse. Some of them getting better, but many countries are losing and losing, like Britain, even worse than Britain. But Britain is not a good position. Some countries are getting better. So we are talking about the British pound because this is still a currency that some countries keep in their pocket. As the question is, will the situation revert? Maybe in 5 or 10 years. Monthly pension from United Kingdom may buy you 2 or 3 silver coins, like it was 20 years ago with gold. Because 18 years ago, you would buy almost two gold coins. Today, you buy only quarter. Will this happen? Is it possible that in next 2, 3, 4 years, for monthly pension, at the age of 67, British people may buy only 2 or 3 silver coins? 2 or 3 silver coins. What would have to happen? Well, now, pensioner can buy 10 silver coins, each 100, or 11 each coin 90, or 12 each coin 80. Okay, 71 is just a raw silver. Coins are more expensive than that. You don't keep raw silver, you buy coins. And today, as of 2026, January, 21st of January, now 1 pension is 10 silver coins, let's say, or 11 or 12. But if silver will rise to 300 or 400 British pounds for each ounce, then we are back to 2006-2005, when British pension could buy almost two gold coins. Then you will buy only 2.5 silver coins. Ladies and gentlemen, this is astonishing what is happening just now. Many people knew it, so they bought it, and now they are taking the profits, and that's good for them. I hope you like my video, and please subscribe for more and notify. Bye bye.